Hello and welcome back. So now in this segment, we want to use determinant to solve a pair of simultaneous equation. So as you can see in simultaneous equation, the target is always to get the value of variable x and y. Okay, so at this point, how do we go about this? Now to go about this, you need to understand that the first variable of interest, which is the x, is what we need to eliminate. To eliminate it means that you must divide x by the remaining, coefficient of the next variable and the constant. So we are picking, when we eliminate this side, so we pick the coefficient of y and the constant to form a 2 by 2 determinant, that is b1, d1, b2, and d2. Then we have to equate it to the next variable and we assign minus to it because the signs are given to each of them alternately. That is to say that the first variable here will take plus and the next one is going to take minus. It continues constant plus, it continues like that, plus minus plus minus. So okay, so now minus y. Now because y now is a variable of interest, we don't need to eliminate this like this and pick this. That's coefficient of x now and the constant. So we have a1, d1, a2, and d2. Okay, we also equate it to the constant. In the constant, we use 1. For constant, if we block this, eliminate this side, we pick the coefficient of variable x and y, then a2 and b2. So as you can see, now if I assume the first determinant here to be determinant 1, right? I assume the first one to be determinant 1, then I assume the second one to be determinant 2, then this one determinant none. Okay, so that is to say that this equation will end up giving us x all over determinant 1, which is equal to minus y all over determinant 2, and is equal to 1 all over determinant none. Okay, so now your business, since already you know how to obtain determinant, it means that if I can obtain this very determinant, the first one, or I obtain the second one, or I obtain this one, I can always put them and equate to get the variable of interest. Imagine me obtaining determinant, the determinant with respect to the constant. It means that I will put it here and equate it to minus y over determinant 2 that I already obtained. Then from there I can get the variable y. Then the same thing, I can use the 2 equate to this one, get the variable x. So what is going to happen is that in the next segment we will use this and solve question. Don't go away.